Hello friends, welcome to the lecture project demo. So we are almost closing to the end of the course. So we are actually we completed our project development. Almost we came 95% of it. So in this video we are going to see the end-to-end flow of the demo. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so from publishing the from the simulator, running the simulator using an NiFi to the running Spark structure streaming, as well as running into the dashboard, everything we'll see. So first we'll deploy the dashboard. The last video I just show you the explained you the dashboard application. I just changed the IP address, sorry, port number to 8090 because that is the one we opened in the server. And here you need to include the host. If you're running PyCharm, no need to provide the host name, like the app.run server of IP addresses, port number is fine. But if you're running it on a server, you just give the internal IP address of the our host, okay, not the public IP address. So that's what we just deploy this. Go to WinSAP. I created a folder called dashboard. I'll just pull my dashboard here. Well, it is going to copy. Meanwhile, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open IntelliJ. You take the our Spark structure streaming code. We'll build the jar and we'll take that. So this is being published, copied here. We'll go and run it here, dashboard. So yeah, so it is in the, it's got copied. Let's navigate to the root folder, and then you have a Python file. Say Python, and then followed by this file. So it is going to launch the in localhost, which is on the internal IP address. So we can actually access through our the public IP. Okay, the 34.130, and you have 8090. See, the dashboard is open, so it is going to here into just to remember this current data which is loading. We have 99 2000, there is no records. 2016 is the, yes, 3 records is there. We'll just see, keep on waiting. You look at here, this will change to 55. So every 10 second it will refresh. So we'll see with the actual data, means the real-time data, no need to worry. So we'll go and first what we do to is, yeah, so we'll open our Spark success streaming program. We'll build as a jar and deploy it, means we run it on the another console. Okay, so just open one more console. So this is data pipeline, say data pipeline Spark color data pipeline cd data pipeline. I will deploy it here, the jar, because we need the dependency jars also, no? So just we'll just provide it here. So what we are going to do is, first of all, we'll build this jar. We'll just open the file. Okay, so everything is fine. I'll just check, verify once. Okay, so seems to be fine. So this is not, we are going to run it on the yarn mode. We'll just comment out this portion, means we'll only to provide master in while running the code, means while the code we need not to provide, because we are going to, in the Sparks, we are going to do the Spark submit. So here, and do the block command. Okay, then remove this, only app is enough. Okay, now what we are going to do is we just build this. Go to this SPT build, do the build here, and also go to the terminal. So we are going to do SPT clean package. before we do this, I will take the set of jar names. Okay, so what are the jars we have? So okay, I will open the PyCharm which has a list of jars. Hmm, what is the project? It is real-time pipeline. We can use the Python, PySpark could also deploy, but they are both the code is same, right? So that's the reason. Okay, so these are the jars. Okay, so I'll just take the, so basically we need to provide this. Okay, so just form this hyphen jars. Okay, so this I'll put it in the this step, spark submit hyphen master, then which is going to be yarn, and hyphen deploy mode going to be client, and then hyphen class with the fully qualified path and jar name also, and then jar name followed by we'll provide this last. Here we'll put hyphen jars, and this jar, what are the jar name, list of jar names, this one we'll put it in the current wherever we are running, that current directory we'll put, so that you don't need to give the path, comma, then this is Mongo connectors, right? This one, comma, and then configuration jar, then after configuration jar we need to take this JS1 JSR jar, then we take this Spark connector jar, and for MongoDB, for Kafka we need this, and then we have a Kafka client jar. So these are the jars we need to provide. Okay, so I'll take this is in different location. So I'll take these two jar. Okay, go back to the, I have jars in one place. Dependency, I'll just move this jars to that location. Okay, let me open a WinSCP, and then now we have to basically go to this data pipeline. We'll put the jar here, and also dependency jar also will keep here, so that don't need to give full path, otherwise you need to give the jar full location. Okay, I'll move all this jar to that place. Okay, so taken, move it here. Okay, let's get copy. Once this is copy, we do here SPT clean build, clean package, SBD clean package. This will build the jars for the our data pipeline structure streaming. Okay, so once this is done, then we can deploy it there. Okay, so let it get complete. Meanwhile, I'll change few more thing in the Spark submit command. What is the other one we need to provide is hyphen config. Okay, then you need to give path as this one, Spark executor extra class path equal to and then this all jar with a colon separator. For jars, it is jar property, it is comma separator. This one is colon separator. Here we just provide here, and then colon here, and then here this one. Then we need to one more config. What is that is basically executor, Spark executor extra library, which is going to be again the same jars with comma separator. Um, with colon separator. Yes, given here, and again one more conf, which will be a driver extra class path. Basically, all these dependencies every process expects. So we can. There are other way also put this jars, basically a Spark installation location, but for now we'll just keep it here. Take this and place it here. What is the class name? So this is this build. Yeah, this is build. Take the fully qualified name, class name. Have it here and a jar name. I'm going to put the jar name here. So just go to the class media project target Scala 2.11. Here from here you just move that. We'll just open one more window. Data pipeline. Okay, then where? So move this jar here. Just give this jar name. Jar name here. That's it. So we can run the Spark submit command. We'll run it in one more terminal. So in this only all the jars are available. So let's run this. So once it is started pushing data, we'll start the data pipeline as well. The data flow, which is from the data. What is that? NiFi, Apache NiFi. Sorry. Okay, so I think it will start generating. Now let's go to the. Still it is 3. Okay, so because still it is static data only, means we are not pushed the new data. Here. Okay, let's start now. Okay. Okay, now start the invoke HTTP, which is going to hit this URL every time. Okay, and then it is going to append the transaction details using the jolt transformation. It comes to the this processor where publish Kafka is there. It will publish to the Kafka broker, and then it is consumed by just Spark structure streaming here. So it will consume the data. So every 10 seconds, whatever the data it's coming, it has to push the data to the MongoDB, aggregated data to the MongoDB collection. It is because it is having a few more processor. It is breaking somewhere. I think Cassandra is not running. Okay. Okay, so let's check why Cassandra is. Okay, Cassandra is not running, but it is MongoDB is pushing the data. Okay, so let's see the dashboard. Is there any change in the dashboard? Yeah, you see this dashboard has come with the new records. Now only the Cassandra is having problem. We'll check it. So it is 55. It is updated. 55th second from 58 minute. See, every 10 second it is going to do all the things. Here example, I don't remember this country codes. USA is 285, 295. It has gone to 445. So it is going to just do every 10 second. It is going to update it. See now at 36 seconds, this is the status. 48th status second, this is the status. It's very good, looking good. The only problem is we have Cassandra problem. Okay, that's probably Cassandra server brokerage down. We'll check that. But other than that, it is fine. So meanwhile, I'll go and check what is happening there. Just duplicate the session. Yeah, so many applications are running now. The system is getting slow. You can see this. It's not even opening. So it's not opening the other sessions. Slow, very slow. Because it's if you see the free memory, I think it is in maybe in MB. There are so many softwares we are using in this VM. So I bundled because I want to give more information on this course. So that's why I combined many tools to use it in this project. See, only 212 MB only free memory is there. Okay, so CQL SH CQL SH. So we need to put our internal IP address. If config, this will be our internal IP address. CQLSH followed by this. Okay, so some problem. Okay. Let's check Cassandra is running. Verify the status. Systemcl status statu Cassandra. It's running, but it's not able to connect. We'll check the port number is running. Nine zero 4042. Yeah, this the port number is not running, so we can try the restart the Cassandra and we can try. But anyway, the end-to-end flow is working. So basically we need this Cassandra data for analysis in Zeppelin, so that time we will start. Okay, so the end-to-end project is working now. So see, basically we are actually see pushing the data every second, I think, right? So what is the schedule time here? So every 0 second, very scheduled, very like this working like streaming only, right? It's the streaming level. It is sending the data. Okay, so connection timeout, read timeout, all this script. It's sending like retail streaming data. Okay, so the data is getting sent to the Kafka, and we are able to process it using here. It is getting processed, storing it in the MongoDB. But Cassandra has some connection issue. That's why it is failing. Other than that, it is MongoDB. We are able to get it through MongoDB in the real-time dashboard. It is updating here. At 4:26, this is the status, and 4:37, this is the status. Okay, I hope this is good. So I hope you would have got more information on this course and this Spark development using CDH environment, Cloudera Hadoop distribution Hadoop environment, and using the NoSQL database like MongoDB, Cassandra, and Python Dash, and we implemented both using a PyCharm IDE and IntelliJ for developing your project in Scala as well as Python, PySpark. Thank you so much, friends. See you in the next video. Yes, thank you.